Okay, boys, camera is on. Those of you who have not turned on your cameras, turn it on and keep it on throughout the lesson, okay? Okay, good afternoon, guys. Okay, it's already 21st October. I think some of you will have finished your English papers and some of you have not. And anyone have managed to like receive your English papers yet? The marks? Not yet, yeah? Okay, then my next week I'll check in again on that. Okay, so today we will do a bit more of a mock paper. Okay, so let's start with that without further ado. Let me share screen. Give me a second or two. Hmm. Right, yeah. Private should pass from should display. Okay, got it. Okay, so next week, some of you will be able to let me know about your scores. Okay, hopefully all for the best. Okay, now let's start. Now, if you remember, last week also we did some mock paper practice, especially on oral and on reading comprehension, also on your situational writing. Okay, paper one, and also your oral. Okay, so today we will continue with that, which is on a vocabulary close, grammar close, etc., and how to infer meaning from the passage. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, three things to do today. One, grammar MCQ. Two, vocab MCQ. Three, vocab close MCQ. Now, all three seems like, wow, MCQ only, so easy. I just have to eeny, meeny, miny, moe, then I can choose my answer, right? So that's not how it works. You need to find the clues as well so that you know that it is the answer. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for any grammar questions, okay, for this one is a grammar close. So there are 10 questions, 4 options, you choose one of them. But of course, you have to look for the clues to confirm that that is the answer. Okay, let's look at this first one. Can you guys read the question and quickly type in your answer in the chat? I give you 30 seconds for this question. Wait, sorry. Question one. Yeah. And also, yes, sorry. Also put in the clues. So for example, you think the answer is maybe you think the answer is A, and then you put in bracket what is the clue. So you need the clue also. Tell me what is your answer and what is the clue. Yeah, correct. Give me in bracket what you think is the clue. Very good. I see a lot of interesting clues, good clues. So when you find the correct clues, right, you know that it's the correct answer already. So you know you will get that point. Okay, so let's see this one. Yes, most of you wrote the answer as A. You are right. It is A. Okay, and of course the clue is it was Miss Rose who painted the wall all by herself. So sorry, B. So all. Miss Rose is B. Okay, so the answer is B. Miss Rose is herself is B. Okay, so you see here, Miss here is female. So this already gives you a clue that she is a girl. Okay, unless there's a boy named Rose, but still he will be named Mr. Rose, right? But here they already say Miss, so it's herself. Okay, next question. Okay, read this question and then type in your answer and also the clue. Hmm. Interesting. Those of you who type in your answer, please type in your answer with your uh clues. I see some very specific answers. So let me go through this. I wanted to buy the trampoline. You know what's trampoline, right? The thing that you keep jumping on, jump, 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 jump. But it costs too much money. I could not afford it. Now the clue here is money. Too much of it, and also two. So it will be much. So the answer is D, is uncountable. Okay, some of you got it right there. The answer is D. You cannot say it costs too many money. No, you don't say too many money. You say too much money. Remember, yeah, too many money is wrong. Much money. Okay, good. So far, next one, number 3. Can you guys read this question and do the same thing? Hmm. Sorry, this one, question 3. This one has a few clues actually. Also, tell me what is a clue? Grandfather, what for his routine checkup quarterly? Now, quarterly means every 4 months. Quarterly means 4, right? Quarterly here means 4. So every 4 months is the meaning of quarterly. So he goes for his routine checkup. Now, grandfather is singular, only one person. Goes for his routine checkup quarterly. He has several health issues. All this points to the clue that it is B. Goes. K is in the present tense. Okay, remember quarterly means every 4 months. Next one, question 4. Can you guys type in your answer with the clue again? Yeah, exactly. Okay, I see it's very good clues already there. You guys are getting experts at finding clues, yeah? Okay, now question number 4 is here. Type in your answers as well. Okay, I see the answers. I also need to see some clues. Mhm. Here, those of you who are still typing, please type in your answer with the clues here. So all the flights were either postponed or cancelled. Some of you said, by how can the heavy rainfall cancel the flights? Rainfall is not a human being to like, hello, all flights are cancelled, so you cannot say by the heavy rainfall. During the heavy rainfall. So this is a clue. So when there's a heavy rainfall, all flights are cancelled or postponed. So the answer is D. Okay, remember, maybe you all can try to check one by one which one works better. So here is during the heavy rainfall. No flights can go. Okay, that's question 4. Now question 5, same thing with the question. Type in your answer and the clue. Okay, let's look at this one. If Henry white litter on the road, he will pick it up. So here the clue would be will. Okay, so and Henry is singular. So it's B. If Henry sees litter on the road, he will pick it up. Okay, so the yes, correct. Rahul, yes, you got the correct clues. The rest of you too. There are 10 questions here. We're only halfway through this. Question number 6 is here. Read the question and then type in the answer and the clue. Very good. I see you are getting the clues very well. Very good. The rest of you are doing quite good also. Boys, you need to put in the clues as well. Girls, good job. Okay. Those of you who are still typing, can continue typing. Let me read question 6. The girl is a person. Okay, you cannot say which is like not a human things, okay? So definitely which is out. Okay, the principal prays. So basically what happened? The principal praised the girl. So which girl? So B. Whom the principal praised during the assembly is my sister. Yes, exactly. Correct. Very good. I see very good clues in the chat. Okay, next question, number 7. Everybody, even the boys, I need to type in the clue. I give you a minute for this. Okay, very good, Gerald. You are getting the clues quite well. Okay, let me read out the question here. My older brother studied biotechnology. So what did he study? Biotechnology, but where? Where did he study this biotechnology? Where? So he studied at the National University of Singapore. So this is actually B, at. Before he came back to Thailand. Now, why at? Why not in? Now, at is when there's a specific place. So if you're saying that, okay, this particular place in Singapore, then it's at. If you're saying he studied in Singapore, then it's fine. If let's say this but he studied biotechnology, if this word is not there, the university is not there, then you can say in Singapore. But here it's specific, right? They tell you where already, in NUS. So you have to put it as at. Okay, very nice. Next question. We have 3 more questions to go. Can you guys read this question? Type in the answer and also the clue. Exactly. Another 30 seconds for those of you who are still typing in the clues. Wow, you all very smart now. I can become teachers already. You have very good explanations. Okay, so our cyclists have qualified. So yes, I see the bracket answer in the clues. Very good. So have here is positive. So of course, this one would be negative. So our cyclists have qualified, haven't they? So if one is positive, the other is negative. So question number 8, the answer is D. Wow, you guys are explaining very well in the clues. You guys know who you are. Well done. Okay, so this is a question tag. Okay, now next question, number 9. Last 2 questions. Read this question and type in your answer and the clue.